Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to report contact on WhatsApp. So the process is very simple. Make sure you watch the complete video and please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. So first of all, you will simply open your WhatsApp application. So here are the contacts. You will simply tap on any of the contact which you want to report. So at the top, you will simply tap on the number or contact name. So this window will be open at front of your eyes. So you will simply go scroll it up and there is a block option and there is a report option. You will simply tap on report and the last 5 messages from this contact will be forwarded to WhatsApp. If you block this contact and delete the chat, messages only be removed from this device and your devices on the newer version of WhatsApp. So you will hear there is an option of a tick mark. You can simply block the contact and delete chat also. If you don't want to block chat and delete chat, you will simply tap on it and you will simply press the report option and the report has been sent. So the chat has been reported. So this is the simple process of reporting any of the contact on WhatsApp. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.